Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to move in your MetaQuest 3 while you're inside the immersive mode. So, all you have to do is just use your left controller analog stick. Just hold the left analog stick like this and select the point where you want to move. And guys, if it's red, you can't move, but if it's white, you can just move it. Just select it and release the left analog stick like this. And as you release it, you can see I'm moving. So guys, that's how you move on your MetaQuest 3 while you're inside the immersive mode. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.